Hello everyone, welcome to Brilbook. In this video, we will have a look at configuration data creation for quality. We will cover the following topics in this video: creation of configuration data required in quality process, creation of quality test tools, creation of quality test, then creation of quality test group and sample types. After that, we'll see creation of quality configuration for quick and full QC, mapping of product and component for quality configuration, and then at last we'll see activation of quality configuration. Now for creation of quality configuration data, we need to log in to Brilbook. Here I have already logged in with quality admin. Now for creation of configuration data, navigate to quality menu, expand quality menu list, and then you can see there are different menus like tools, test, test group, sample type and configuration. Now we will create quality test tools. Click on quality test tools. With the help of create button, we will create new quality test tools. On the create page, add name as measuring scale. I have entered name as measuring scale and then I'll click on save button. A quality test tool has been created. Now we will create quality test. For that, click on quality test, then click on create button. Quality test create page has been opened. Here I will enter name as measurement, length measurement. Then I'll select type as qualitative and then select tool. I will select measuring scale that I have recently created and then click on save button. Our quality test has been created and then you can see result tab has been appeared. Click on result tab and then click on create button and then click on full form to create quality test result. Add name for quality test result. I will add name as pass and then select is positive field as yes. Click on save button. Now you can see we have created now quality test and quality test result. We can create multiple results for quality test. Now we will create test group. For that, click on test groups, click on create button, and on the test group create page, add name for the test group. I will add name as ball bearing test group. Then add minimum passing on. It is in percentage type, so I will set percentage as 60%. You can set this parameter as per your requirement and then I'll click on save button. Our quality test group has been created and you can see lines tab has appeared. So now click on lines and then to create quality test group lines, click on create and then click on full form. On the create page, add test to create test group lines. I will add measuring length measurement as test, then set sequence for the test. I'll set sequence as 1 and then click on save and close button. Similarly, we can create multiple test group lines for a test group. Now we'll create sample types. For that, click on sample types and then click on create button. Now on the create page, enter name for sample type. I will enter name as ball bearing. Then set type as %. If we select type as %, then % field appears, and then it will ask us to set % for the samples. And if we select unit, then unit field appears and it will ask us to set units for the sample type. So now I will select % and then I'll set percentage as 50% and then I'll click on save button. Now our sample types has been created. After this, we'll create configuration for quality. For that, click on configuration, then click on create button to create new quality configuration. Now on the create page, you can see there are different sections like basic and testing. Now under the basic section, add name for quality configuration. I will add name as configuration for ball bearing. Then select site, select event. Now you can see there are different options into event field like post arrival and post production. So if we select post arrival, it means our quality check will get created after arrival, and if we select post production, it means our quality check will get created after production. So now I will select here event as post arrival, and then under the type field you can see there are two options like full and quick. You can select any one of this. If you want to create full QC, then you can select full, and if you want to select quick QC, then you can select it as quick. For now I will select it here as quick. Then select test group. I'll select the recently test group that I have created. Then select sample type and now click on save button. Now you can see we have created a quality configuration record, and after saving the record you can see different tabs like product and components appeared. Now we will add product for the quality configuration. For that, navigate to product tab and then with the help of add existing button, we will add product for the quality configuration. So now I will select here product as angular contact ball bearing and self aligned ball bearing and then spherical roller bearing. We can select single or multiple product at a time. Now you can see our product has been added to the configuration. Now to add component, navigate to component and then click on add existing button and follow the same procedure as select the component and then click on OK button. We have added our product and component to the quality configuration. So now our next step is to activate our quality configuration. For that, click on status and then select status as activated and then click on save button. Now you can see our quality configuration is status of this quality configuration has been changed as activated and the whole form has been turned into read-only format. Now we will see how to create quality configuration for full type QC. So now again click on configuration, click on create button, then add name, select site, event again as post arrival, then select full type. Then you can see that quality check route field has appeared. So now add test group, sample type, and then select route for quality check, and then click on save button. And then we have to follow the same process that we have followed earlier for creation of quality configuration for quick QC. Under the product tab, we can add product with the help of add existing button. Similarly, we can add component, and then our next step is to activate our configuration. So in this video we saw creation of configuration data for quality process, and then we saw how to create quality configuration for full and quick type, and then we added products and component for the quality configuration. Then we saw activation of quality configuration. Thank you.